I have an interesting question for you today. Can AI be unfair?
Huh? But AI is just a machine. How can it be biased?
Great question, Nadeem. Let's go on a journey to find out.
Wow! Are we inside AI's brain?
Exactly! This is where AI learns from the data we give it.
So, if the data is unfair, the AI becomes unfair too?
Yes! It's like always hearing only one side of a story. Imagine this hospital uses AI to diagnose patients. But if it learns only from one group of people, it might give wrong results for others.
Oh, maybe it tells girls to study literature and boys to become scientists. That's not fair.
Exactly. That's why AI needs fair and diverse data.
So, how do we fix that?
Programmers train AI with better data. Also, there are rules to keep AI fair.
So, we need to be smart when using AI and always ask where the information comes from.
Yes! You are now tech heroes.
So, what did we learn today?
AI can be unfair when it learns from unfair data.
But we can make it better by using diverse data.
And most important, we must think carefully when using AI.
When can AI be biased? When it learns from unfair data, when it talks to people a lot, when it reads all the books in the world, when it plays with us in the park. Think about it, friends. Great job! The right answer is when it learns from unfair data. See you next time, friends. Goodbye.